Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you how can you activate a voice changer onto Fortnite. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to open any browser and you're going to go on to Google, and then you're going to search for voice mod. Okay? When you search for voice mod, you're going to click on the first link. Okay? When you click on the first link, you're going to click on get voice mod free. Okay? When you click on get voice mod free, you're going to enter your Google account, and then when you enter your Google account, you're going to download voice mod. Now we downloaded voice mod, let's go and set it up. Okay, so there we go, we have voice mod over here. We're going to click on it and start setting it up. Click yes, and then after that select English, and then you're going to go take you through some steps that we're going to do. I'm going to get accept agreement. You're going to pick the place where you want to install voice mod. Okay, in my case it's the D drive, and then you're going to click install. Okay, now it's going to install. After installation, I'm going to tell you what to do. Now we have a voice mod installed. We're going to click finish. Okay, now it's going to start launching up for us voice mod. Okay, now it is launching up and it's loading. Now when it loads, we're going to click on get started. Okay, it's going to take us to this just to make sure that we're logging in. After we log in, we click when it takes us to this, we're going to click open voice mod app, and then we're going to click open voice mod. Now we are logging in right now. Okay, now it's just loading right now. Now we have voice mod loaded. Now we're going to start setting it up. We're going to click having fun with friends and click continue. After that, we're going to choose our headset and our microphone, which is basically we're going to choose my microphone over here and the headset that I'm using. And we're going to test my sound. Make sure you hear yourself. Okay, then click continue, and then you're going to test the voice changer, and there you go, it works. Okay, so that is now for voice mod. Now we set it up voice mod. Now how can we make us use the voice changer in Fortnite? I'm going to tell you how. Okay, so now let's first of all launch up Fortnite. I'll meet you there. Now we're in Fortnite. We're going to navigate to our settings. Okay, after we go on to our settings, we're going to go all the way to this sound icon, and when you're in the sound icon, you're going to scroll down till voice chat input method. Okay, and you're going to make sure you have something called the input method is microphone voice mod virtual audio device. Now once you have this right now the voice changer worked. Once you're in party with your friends, you're going to hear whatever setting you have put onto your voice mod. In my case, it's this one, and you can hear yourself over here. There's also multiple. You can create your custom pitch, or just make it cleaner in the narrator, or you can just subscribe and get new voice changer methods. Okay, so that was all for us now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if this actually helped you and it actually helped you troll your friends. And yeah, see you later.